All right. What's this from?
Don't sweat open the box there, fatty.
Hey guys, and thanks for stopping by my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you what I bought for Phoenix. Phoenix hasn't had a toy haul in a while. His toys are getting old and gross, and I needed to like go through them, take out the ones that are dangerous.
I want a toy.
You have me. You play with me all day. But this is from Sweet Beak and Feet.
I don't want that toy.
Sweet Feet and Beak. I had the hardest time finding stuff that I thought Phoenix would like because he's super picky. Let me show you what I got.
Do it. Watch you don't break a sweat.
Too late.
Mustard.
Alright. Oh, I got the wrong fucking size. Son of a bitch.
Would be good from Amazon.
Look how big this is. You know what though? We can put this on the ceiling and he'll play with it, I'm sure. This is not the right size. I mean, he can fit on it, but he has a smaller one in his cage. So I maybe messed up, but we can still use it. I don't want to return it. This is a swing for Phoenix, and we do have a thing we can hook this up to on the ceiling.
Your dogs are jealous.
I know. Shadow's looking at me like, where's my shit? It's not all about you guys. Sometimes Phoenix gets a turn, you know? So this is a nice swing. He loves swings, but I do want to get him another swing that's the right size. And then I got this.
Give him a swing for over here. You can swing over here.
Where?
Right here.
He can't be anywhere near the fan.
You can be over here.
Yeah, and then he'll shit on us. That's a bad idea, dude.
Tell him not to shit.
Yeah. Here's the other swing that I got him. Like this.
You don't like it. I can see it.
He's like right over there. I'll show him to you in a minute. And then the other thing I got is another perch.
Sure that's for him?
Yes. The issue I have with perches, because there's a lot out there, but the hardware is never right, okay? I need a wide connector like this so that it fits on the bars of his cage. And a lot of times they're very small and they don't fit right. It's important to change the perches, and it's important to have different diameters of perches so that their feet do not get tired and locked up and stuff. So yes, having perches and switching them around every once in a while is a very good idea. And this happens to be one of his most favorite type of perch, so I'll go ahead and bought him this one. But that's not all we got for Phoenix. Oh no, I have another box to show you, and also there's one coming. It's just not here yet. Let me get that other box. So this is from Exotic Nutrition. And what's interesting about Exotic Nutrition is they have the food for exotic pets like prairie dogs and coatimundi, or like weird ass animals that you may have never heard of that have specific diets. Exotic Nutrition has all those dietary needs for your pet. They also have parrot stuff, which parrots are an exotic animal as well. Oh, they sent me a little catalog. Look at that. So yeah, they have like sugar gliders and chinchillas, prairie dogs, chickens, hedgehogs. So they have all kinds of stuff. So if you're into exotics, this is a company that I would highly recommend.
I'm in these drawers.
Kind of exotics, babe. Like exotic dancers. Okay, I can see him playing on this. Huh?
Is that your food?
No, this
Is that
is...
what you're shooting for? What
This...
size?
Yes, I want to be able to fit into this. This is for Phoenix to play and hang on. That'll be fun for him. I caught you using your new swing. Do you like it? It's different, huh? Don't worry, you'll get your other swing back. It's just, you know, it's something different, dude. He's watching us from afar. I got him this. He's had this toy before, he destroys them, but he loves them while he does have them. They're just cups with a little bit of foraging for him. Another one. This is a little foraging wheel. Put it like pistachios or almonds in there, and then he's got to work them out. Because, you know, he's an intelligent creature. He's not the most intelligent parrot. I've seen way smarter ones than him, but he tries. He tries his best. And that's all I can ask for, really. I got him this one here. Then I thought these were interesting, and I really do hope that he likes these. This is a honey stick, and it's a variety pack, so it's got peach, watermelon, and mango flavors right there. And then this is an agave stick, and there's 8 of those. And those are for multiple pets as well. So that is for Phoenix. Let me go ahead and grab him, show him to you. You guys probably want to see him. I haven't seen him in a while. I'll be right back. This is the bird in question. This is Phoenix. Do you know how old Phoenix is? Because I don't remember.
I would say 6.
No, we've had him longer than 6 years. He's probably like 12 at this point. When we got him, he was like 4 or 5 years old, and that was how long ago? Anyways, he's a Congo African gray. They live 60 plus years, and he hates Gary. I don't know why. Gary's been nothing but nice. He's gonna bite you in front of all these nice people.
Actually.
Aw, he let you. Good job, Phoenix. Did you see all the oversized toys that I got you? So anyways, this is the guy that I bought that stuff for. We love him. He's hilarious. He makes us laugh. He has the best timing when he says stuff. He makes us laugh almost every day. He's freaking hilarious, man. I can't imagine living without him because, like, he's just always saying something funny. What do you think? Just not when I want him to. Like, if I wanted him to say something funny, he's not gonna say it right now. He's not like that. He marches to his own beat, don't you, Phoenix? You good boy.
Alright, move the fly back to his cage.
Why?
So you could do a review on me. You just did a review on the bird.
Okay. Go to your cage. Go. This is Gary. He's going to be 42. I've had him for about 20 years now. His favorite food is sausage. Is it sausage?
I guess. I do like sausage.
I've taught him a lot of stupid human tricks.
I'll lay down. Roll over.
Gary, what are those
Doggy style.
3 words that I absolutely love it when I hear them from you?
Just buy it.
Also, I love you. Yeah, but just buy it. Anyways, that's it. That's all I have for you
That's all
guys.
you have on me?
What else do you want me to say?
You have a lot of things to say, I see.
No, it's just that
I'm
this
the
video
man.
is about Phoenix.
The bird was like, oh yeah, he does good in college. He does everything. Me, I love him.
What's wrong with that?
Is there anything else?
Gary, I'll give you your own video.
Can you guys come back to me with stuff you need?
Anyways,
I should have said.
that's all we have time for today, kids. Until next time, we will see ya. Bye.
See ya. Dry.
What?
What's that river that's going dry in Phoenix?
What about it?
I could pull enough water off of you to fill it.
Because I'm so sweaty?
Yeah.
Oh, I sweat a
It's
lot.
not even hot in here.
I sweat all the time.
It's 75.
Well, you know, it's just who I am as a person. Sweaty.
Not even a fat person. I'm the fattest one here.
I'm fat.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, let me do this video, huh?
Yeah.